Welcome to the Alhambra Civic Center Library. Today we will be making do-it-yourself fluffy slime. You will need some shaving cream, glue, food coloring of your choice, some saline solution or borax and water, and a popsicle stick and a clean mixing bowl. First, you're going to pour your glue into your mixing bowl. Then you're going to add some shaving cream. Next, you're going to add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Then add either saline solution or borax and water. If you choose to use borax and water, you're going to have to mix the borax into water and stir well. Add the saline solution or the borax mixture and stir, stir, stir. Feel free to add some more shaving cream or mixture to make your substance thicker. Keep mixing until your substance becomes slime and no longer sticks to your hands. Have fun, and thank you so much for watching.